What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Richie here, and today we are going to look at CPA marketing with free traffic method. But this is going to be actually step by step full course. So if you don't want to miss out anything, you just have to watch the video from start to finish. I'm not trying to generate any watch hours or anything. I just want you to guys to learn because my channel is already monetized, so there's no need I'm generating anything. All you need is to watch the video from start to finish and implement this method and make money online. So in this video full course, you're going to learn about CPA marketing with free traffic like social media and any other platforms out there. So you don't want have to miss out anything. What you need to do is to grab yourself some water, a popcorn, a drink, and then let's dive into that. But before you start, if today happens to be your first time, don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that whenever any video drops you'll get notified. Let's dive into that. Okay, so welcome back to the course. This is a step-by-step complete course, and anybody at all can even go ahead, whether you are day one or you are an advanced person. You can use this same course and make money online. I recorded the video, but it seems like the audio is missing, so I have to do a voiceover on that. So what actually is CPA marketing? Is basically making money online when somebody completes a specific action for you. So this is OGAds dashboard right now, and you can see this is my OGAds dashboard. So what I do normally is to filter out by the highest payout over here, because that's where you are going to know the people that you are going to target. So it's better you filter out by that in order to get the people that you want to get when it comes to your targeting. So what are you going to do right now? You go to Google and search for the most popular computer games in the United States. Why? Because United States has a purchasing power, and they have this mindset of completing certain things. And whenever a white man is determined to do something, they always complete as compared to the blacks. So this is the reason why I have to target them. So in this case, I searched for the most popular games, and then the first game that appeared was Grand Theft Auto, and you can see all the games that are available and that are very popular in the United States. These are the games. So you can also target one in this niche, and you can also go ahead to do that. So what you have to do is to filter out by decreasing it to the five most popular, because you just have to target the most popular games that are available over there. Why are you targeting that? That's where you are going to know the games that people play most over there, because if you type most popular they are going to bring a lot, but you have to target the ones people are interested in, so that you can also go ahead to use this trick that I'm going to show you to do that. So you go to the images section, and if you don't have the image section, you can even go and download some of the videos of the game in order for you to use them and make money online. So you can target for the videos or the images. So in this case, I just wanted to download the videos, but the videos were not what I was looking for, so I have to get the images of the video, the images of the games, in order for me to use. So we are going to do this with the help of AI in order to make money online. So this is how you have to target only one game. Don't mess up everything, just have to target only one. So in this case I targeted for Grand Theft Auto, because that's the most game that people always want. This is known as I think they call it CJ or so, yeah. So Grand Theft Auto, this is the game most people likes playing, because of the features in it, how it looks like, and all those stuffs. So in this case, you have to open the you can open to the main dashboard or the main um platform that you're going to use. So the first platform that I'm going to use is Reddit. Reddit contains 49.7 people that visit their website each and every month. So they have the and these people also comes from the United States. So I'm going to retarget Reddit, and the next platform that I'm going to use is writer.ai. Writer is not like what you hear. The spelling is different. It starts with RYTR. So writer, and you can start for free. So start for free. Whenever you get money, you can move to the advanced features of writer.ai. So this is how the interface of writer looks like. So you have to click on start for free, and you can get the access to this platform. The sign up is very easy, so I'm not going to bore you with the sign up. So come to the session, you can upgrade later, and then go to the session where it says create. So with the create session, that's where you're going to type in the prompt that we are going to use over here. So this is some of the features that are available on Writer. They have now upgraded to certain level. So you can go to the session where it says write, click on create and go to write, and you can come to the session where it says convincing. You must leave the language at English, and then you must convince the people who visit your landing page to do whatever you want to do. So they have so many different things over here that you have to choose from. So depending on the social media platform that you're going to use, you have to target them. So you can go to Google and also search for 5 top most visited social media platforms in the United States. So these are the social media platforms that was being given by Google. It says YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. So these are it. We have 3 of them are very popular, and you can go ahead to post by TikTok and United States. In the case where you want to use TikTok account in Ghana, targeting for United States is going to be very difficult for you. So you just have to clear off that, and then WhatsApp, you just have to get yourself United States numbers, and get in mind how many people can you target. If you even have the United States people's you have the numbers over here, how many people can you target? So you just have to target for Facebook, Instagram, and then YouTube. By YouTube, you do that later, but first of all, you just have to go to your OGAds platform and then begin to create your link. So the link that we are going to use right now is Smart Link. But before you go to that place, you just have to get yourself the official website of Grand Theft Auto. The reason why we are going to use Grand Theft Auto is that they are not free. You just have to pay for it, and people will be very serious to get it for free because they want to experience how Grand Theft Auto looks like. So you just have to target and use the keyword free in order to get whatever you want to get. So this is the case. I was searching for the official website of Grand Theft Auto. So you have to target certain people. Like you can download some of the videos to place it on the landing page or the images of the game. Just the video will be very interesting, but if you don't get the video, you can use the images of the game, and it's going to work perfectly for you. So don't worry if you don't get the videos, you can use the images, and it's going to work super perfect for you. So you can download the pictures of the game. If you go to the image section of your Google, search for the game and go search the image section. So the images, that's where you are going to get the official images of the game that you want. I will do a video in the movie niches, but right now let's base on the gaming niches. So I'll just hit on that and hit on save as image, and then I will save it into a specific place that I want it to appear, or where I can see it later on. So what I'm going to do is to create a simple landing page. So in this case, we are not going to use anything. Where you go, click on tools and click on content locker. We have capture locker, file locker, smart link. So the link that we're going to create is a smart link. Why are we going to target smart links? These social media people are not from only a single country, so you have to target smart link in order to get whatever you need. So in the smart links, go to the session, type in the name of the offer, and some of the fields are very optional, so you don't have to worry yourself. So when it comes to the link aspect, where it says redirected link, you go back to the platform of Grand Theft Auto, click on their official website and copy the link to Grand Theft Auto and um go back again. So you just have to copy the link from Grand Theft Auto, the official website over here. So you can see on the top section it says buy now. That means this game is not for free. So if you are targeting for people to buy this to get this game for free, people are going to be very happy to get these games for free. You can generate or create a website in this niche, but that's not what I'm going to do right now. So when it's come to redirected URL, so you just have to paste in the Grand Theft Auto website, but the fallback website you just have to leave it over there because you are going to do that later. Yes, so come to the offer section and switch. So you have to choose a name for your that. So just choose a name for that over here, and when you go to the offer section, you can see over here you have the countries, devices, and all those stuff. So you can target for any of these devices, the countries, but do not touch any of that. Just leave it untouched. You can target for only United States and all those stuffs, but this is not what I'm going to do. So where it says add offers, you have to close it over here. You can add it manually, but you know what, I will just go ahead and create show you guys how to add offers into whatever locker that you are creating on OGAds. So at this session you just have to, I just love filtering by the highest payout just to target for what I need. So if you want to create a link, just change from active to boosted, change from active to boosted. Any of the offers that you're going to choose boosted, whenever you create your link, that means the offers are going to show over there. So switch from active to boosted, and very simple as that. You can change many of them as you want, and as simple as that. Some of the offers works on both iOS and then computer and Android, and some of them works on only iOS. So you can target for a specific device and target for a specific country, and also a specific category. So you can move on to the session where it says um, smart links again, back to again. So we are going to start the process again for you to know how you're going to create. So click on create link, go to the offer type, and then hit on add offers. So with the add offers, these are the offers that are going to load for you. So hit on this payout section and then filter out by highest payout. So by filtering out by the highest payout, where it says add, you have to add all the offers that you want to add. You can add as many as you want. After adding, you just have to move to the next page to do. You can add as many as you want depending on how you want your offers to appear. The reason why we are using smart links, and smart links are going to help you boost your earnings on OGAds. Why? Because when the person clicks on that, they are going to redirect the person to an offer that is available in the person's country. So that is it. You can target for only United States offers, and they are going to appear. So target for United States offers and begin to add some of these offers also, because most of the websites, the people who that visit that websites are from United States. So it's very simple that you add most of the offers in the United States to these offers. So now let's move on to that. To the next page, I'm going to add all the offers, and then after that, these are the offers that have been added so far. You can see some of the offers are on the computers, and you can see type in the name of the offer where it says GTA 5, and then the optional field just have to leave it because there's no need, and the name will appear to you only. So this is the fallback link. The fallback link we are not going to create. If you click on that, it's not going to create for you, so you just have to leave it because you're going to fill that later. Why are we going to do that? We are going to use the fallback link will be a link to a landing page. So whenever the person tries and it does not work for them, they are going to bring them back to their landing page for them to restart the this thing again. So do not place in google.com, do not place in any website, but rather use your landing page. So you're going to go to Google site to create a simple landing page. But with this landing page, we're going to use countdown timer to that. Why are you going to use timers to fix all these things? Because people don't take certain things very serious. As soon as they see that the thing is very limited, that's why they are going to take them very serious. So we are going to add countdown timer to our landing page for them to know that this thing is very limited, and after this countdown they are not going to get the chance to do anything again. So hit on the first big plus button and it's going to add everything. You can delete everything from this. It's quite very easy to delete all these things. So just because it was loading, so you just have to let it finish loading and you can fix all these things. So after loading the dashboard trash can over there, you have to click on that and then it's going to be very simple for you. So now the website is very clean, so do not embed on it anything over here yet, because you are going to add the images, add details of everything of the game before that. So I hit on upload and upload the image from my computer, and I'll expand it in such a way that it's going to fit the screen. Yes, so you have to expand it in such a way that the person will see it very interesting. Like they will feel like, okay, this thing is very quite simple, so I have to also try. And then yes, so I'm going to go ahead and what I'm going to do right now is to copy some of the details over here. So copy that and go back to writer.ai and then do some tweaks on it. So I'm not going to paste it over here, but we're going to writer.ai to generate some content about this game, like a post about this game, so that whenever somebody clicks on it, they are going to see like, oh, this guy or this website looks very clean and it's very safe for me to get this game for free. So you can see over here, you go back to writer.ai and then where it says write convincing, you can just hit on a blog post idea or a call to action. The call to action tells about you adding a post for people to easily download whatever download or click on whatever you want them to click. So I'll paste the details that I copied over here and it's going to write some of them for me. So I'll leave with the variants at 3 and then creativity as optional. So I'll hit on that and you can see they are going to generate the call to action. Says first one says dive into the action and play now, and then the next one says dive into the action, start your adventure now, and the last one experience the ultimate um okay. So I will just copy the last one and then hit on this is the call to action. So now we are going to generate a blog post for this. So writer, one thing I love about writer.ai is that they are not going to delete what you wrote first. You can leave it and then generate as much as you can, so that they're going to use that help you to generate get more idea about what you're going to do. So the website, I'm going to go to the official website of Grand Theft Auto and then paste in the website URL. So the website name is quite simple, and then about the website, you can generate and you can download most the details about the game and then the features. This is very simple. So the details about the website, go back to writer and then it says right website is about. So go to the features and then paste in the same thing, and then where it says the website GTA GTA 5, so just type in that and hit on write for me. So they are going to write a bunch of article for you to um select from. So they are going to give you an article that you are going to copy and then paste. So it's very simple, just copy and paste. So now I've copied that. I'm going to go to my landing page and then paste in that article that I copied. So you can just fix in what was not being fixed, so we can just fix it very well. And when it says experience the ultimate open world adventure now, or dive into the action, so we'll go straight to the one that is very straight, the call to actions. What is very straight? Let's bring it at the middle, bold it, and then presentalize that. Okay, so now I'll just change some of the fonts to make it big. Okay, so that when somebody joins the website, they are going to see it clear. So I will change some of the fonts over here to a higher font. Okay, so this is it now. And then the picture, I'll just enlarge the image to fit the screen. So just have to enlarge it very well and bring it at the middle section. Okay, so now let's continue with the video. So where it says dive into the action right now, this is going to be our call to action. So now we are going to add a timer to our landing page. So to add a timer, you have to embed that on your website. So where it says by link and by HTML, I'll do that later. And you can insert different buttons on the website. They have so many things that you can add to your website. It doesn't matter that. So now let's go back to the website that we are going to get the timer for our distance. So this website looks this is it. This website, the name of the website is above there. So this is where you're going to select your timer over here. This is the website name, so you can just look at it and do it. So where it says embed on your website, and then this is the countdown over here, right? So you can fix in all these things. So what I'm going to do right now is to change some of the details or how the timer looks like. So I'm going to use the circled ones over here. So the name of the 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 thing that was the okay. So I'm going to change the countdown title over here. So let me change it over here by pasting that says dive into the action and play right now. So I'm going to change the color of that, the title color, the text color. I'm going to change that to red, and you can see it has changed. So I'm going to go ahead to change it from flip to circles. So this is it over here. So I've changed it to circles, and now I'm going to change some of the details of the timer over here. So some of them I'm going to make them red, and now let me change the progressive to red and then change the timer to black. I think that is going to help most because all right, so now people will get to know that this is how it looks like. Now they say, now after doing that, you see come create a countdown link. You can copy the link and create a embed on your website. So you copy the HTML code, go back to your website of your landing page where it says go to the top section, right? Go to the top section where it says embed. Don't paste it over here because it's not going to work. So just click on the section where it says embed. Alright, so enter HTML code. So this is it, and then insert the timer over here. So it's going to bring the timer right over here. So right, let me hit on insert over here and then just enlarge it to my own satisfaction. So you can make it small, you can bring it up, you can change it, the position of the timer. It doesn't you can move it to anywhere you want it to be. So this is how the timer will look like, but at the bottom nobody is going to see it. So I'm going to move it to the top section for them to know that the timer is here. This is where I'm going to move it to the top section at the bottom of the image, right? So now I've centralized the image. I'm going to move the timer to the bottom of the image over here. So this is it. So anybody that appears on the website will get to know that, oh, this is how everything works. So I'm going to insert in the link of my GTA 5 from the website, the official website of GTA 5. So right now I'm going to publish the site over here. Why am I going to publish it? Because um if I publish it this way, I'm going to get my fallback link from this website. So I'm going to change the name to GTA 5. The name will still be very simple. So right after doing that, so free downloads, people like getting these things for free. So all right, so now this is it, and I'm going to go ahead to change some of the features over here by adding certain things. So by downloading GTA 5 for free, so I'm going to add absolutely to it, because for the people to know that okay, this is absolutely free, they are not going to pay for anything. So right of okay, so I'll have to fix in some plagiarism and then some errors, grammatical errors. So I'm going to centralize everything over here, and now let's move on to that. So I'm going to go ahead. This is the timer is still counting down, and then now I'm going to go ahead to publish the website over here where it says publish. Now I have to type in the name over here. So manage, where it says manage, you can just decide to change some of the details over here. So where it says just leave it public, or you can restrict certain people. All right, so leave it public because you just want it to be public, and then if you restrict them, they are not going to be able to visit your website. So where it says draft is where you're going to change all the details, like you want people with holding the link to join your or play your game. So GTA 5, so you have to choose name, because people are using Google site to build their landing pages. So you just have to be very creative and then decide to choose in a name like that. So here's anyone with a link, and then hit on create, and then come back to the session which is publish URL, published to the web. So you just have to come to the section, type in the name that where it says I can see the circling this thing over here. So whenever, as soon as you see that it has marked or checked, that means it's very ready for you to publish over here. So you can see the circle, it has appeared checked. So I'm coming to go to section where it says publish. So now it has been published. So I'm going to go ahead to copy the link to the game. So it has been published, so I'm going to go ahead to copy the link to the game over here. So this is the copy link, and then I'm going to go to my landing page of go to the fallback link. I'm going to paste it over here. So this is when somebody clicks on that and the person is not able to complete the offer, and the link falls back, or if the offers are not available in the person's country, the fallback link will fall back to our URL. Yeah, so I hit on create and then copy the link to our smart link over here. But rather, you just have to choose wisely and then go to action section, go to where it says view details, and then you have to change the domain over here. Yes, so change the domain to the domain of your choice. Yes, so verify is very nice. I'm going to go ahead to copy the URL over there. So the link has been copied. I'm going to go back to the landing page right now to paste it where it says the link icon. I'll click on that and then hit on apply. So now the link is clickable. So whenever I hit on publish, they are going to give me the draft of that and the equivalent published link. So now after publishing this link, this is where the promotion starts, because now we are done with this landing page. The countdown, everything is working perfectly, so you can see everything is working perfectly. So what I'm going to do right now is to deal with the promotion method. Now this is where Reddit comes in. So on the Instagram platform, we just need an Instagram account, and mostly do not use your personal account to do all these things because it's going to be very difficult. Sometimes you can get banned, so do not use your personal website or your personal account to do this. So right now I'm going to go ahead to Instagram or any of those platforms. But the first website I'm going to use right now is I'm going to go ahead to publish this on Reddit over here, and you can see at a live session people are going to interact with my ad over here. So the Facebook, if you click on Facebook and go to Facebook, I have all these accounts, so I'm going to go ahead. So with the Reddit, okay, so this is the Reddit the post session right over here. So what I'm going to do right now is to go to this session with the GTA 5, change to, so it says publish, choose the case. So I'm going to write Facebook post for them. So download GTA 5 for free. So I'm going to go, okay. So you can add absolutely to it depending on how you want it to look like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead to hit on write for me. So always hit on write for me. So with the help of this AI, you can just get everything easy as that. So I'm going to click on this, and then after hitting on write for me, you can see it's working perfectly over here. They are going to write some of the posts for me. So you can see these are the posts being created by the AI. So now it's time for us to go. We have our post, we have our landing page. So it's time for us to go out there to promote to people or to our audience. So read through it and then get certain things fixed before you go out there to promote them. So check. So I'm going to go ahead to copy the first one and then go back to Reddit. So with the Instagram account, you can search for games like game lovers or um. But this is my personal account, so I'm not going to post anything on my personal account because I don't have account for all these things. I'm trying to build um a brand, so I'm not going to use that to promote anything. So but I will just give you a scenario of how you can guess interact, or you can just post on your Instagram. So you can go and search for all these keywords GTA 5, and you can see they have um a page that talks about GTA 5, and they have even 97k people following them right now. So it's quite very simple for you to go and promote that on Instagram with the help of you creating an Instagram account. So you can go ahead to search, just open the um open the image, and this is how you're going to look like. So right after doing that, what you need to do is to click on this next button over there. So you can change it by the sizes or the how it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead to hit on next again, and then this is where you're going to post your creativity writings on, and then you add your landing page link to that, or you can leave that in the bio section of that. So to win more customers, you just have to stay consistent, posting the same thing like a game, you playing the game on your PC and all those stuff, download the videos and the images, and you, when you stay consistent, this is where you're going to get more people to also click on your post. So now I'm going to discard everything because I'm not going to post over here. Now let's move on back to Reddit over here. So Reddit allows you to post on their platform So I'm going to move this and right to the other side and go to the where it says so you can search for pages that talks about gaming and all those stuffs, but you go to the button section where it says create post over here. So you hit on create post, and after hitting on create post, you can create a new post. Just type in a nice title. All right, so copy the title of that. Just copy it, go back to it again, and by just paste it over here, and then go back to copy the image body of the content, and then copy that, and then just paste it over here. Now this is how it looks like right now. They have the title, and then you can go ahead to add tags to that. So select where it says get it for free, and then copy our landing page right now. All right, so right now you just have to go back to Reddit, or you can shorten the link if you want, but some of the link shorteners does not work perfectly, so you don't have to worry yourself, because some of them are going to redirect the visitors to another platforms and all those stuff. So you don't have to worry yourself in shortening the link. Just have to leave it like that. You can leave it like that, but you can go, and then the trusted one that I always use is Bitly, because Bitly does not change or redirect the people to another website. But other platforms or other URL shorteners just can just move the person from the actual website that you're targeting to another website. So where it says alias, you just have to type in the alias over here. So do not write in block letters, but rather small letters. This was a mistake, so you can just delete that and just wait for the captcha to verify as a human being before you'll be able to get everything done on this website. So once it's loading, guys, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. So now it says create link, and it's not going to work because I wrote them in block letters. So I'll need to change everything into small letters and do not leave any space in that. So go ahead and then change everything that is written over here to a lowercase. If I try to shorten it again, it will not work unless I change everything to lowercase letters, and then before it will work perfectly for me. So I'm going to ahead and then just change some of the things, tweak with things, and then before that but this is very time wasting and very annoying. So what you need to do is to go ahead and then paste it from the landing page free forward. The reason why we sometimes use link shorteners just to target and then track your links and clicks and everything. So this is the reason why I use link shorteners. But in my next video, I'll show you a simple step that you can use to make money online from CPA marketing. But the next video will involve a little cash. So the link has been copied. I'm going to go into the session where it says paste URL over here, and then hit on save. So at first, Reddit will not allow you to post links like that on their website. Yes, so you have to approve it before it will become it will work for you. Yes, you just have to approve it. So now I'll hit on post, just fix some errors, and then after hitting some errors, fixing the errors, I'll hit on post. All right, it has been posted, and you can see it will give me an error that your link has been removed. All right, so now if I click on it, you can see that your link, the link then so far. So what you need to do is to approve that. If you try to fix it, it will never work. So you just have to approve it to be on your website or to be on your page, unless it will work perfectly for you. If not, it's not going to work for you. So just approve it. Okay, so guys, what's loading, do not forget to like the video. So you can just copy the link from the your official landing page and then edit the post. And in this case, I'm going to change the link over here just to see, or just to let you know that you have to approve it before it will be available for you. So if you hit and post, still they are going to give you same error over here. So what you need to do is to click on the post and then uphold, so can upvote everything, and you click on your username and go to your main page like this. And what you need to do is to approve that. So I'm going to go ahead to change some of the details over here. So now what you need to do is to approve it by that, and then it's going to work perfectly. So you can see approved. That means that I've allowed it to work perfectly. So I can refresh it right now and it's going to show all the details right now. So people are interacting with my ad. Just recently that I posted, you can see I have 4 views right now, and if I refresh again, it's going to increase. So that is it. This is how powerful Reddit is. So guys, what we are working on it, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment whenever you find something difficult whilst creating or working on this. So now I clicked on the link and you can see this is how it looks like currently from Reddit to this section. So now let me go back again, and then this is where it says upvote. So you can create multiple accounts and upvote. Upvote means you are just liking, like you liking videos on YouTube, liking post on Facebook and all those stuffs. Why do people like you have to upvote? Just to reach more people on the website, and then whilst people are liking it, people are also going to interact with your ad, and you can see that views are still increasing. So by the end of 24 hours, you can see that the views will increase to another level. So you can see most of my posts are getting interactions and all those stuff. So if this were to be affiliate marketing or any other marketing, that means I would have made much money from this platform. And I have, even though I have 0 followers, but still having people to follow me. So sorry if interact with my ad. So if I go to post right now, people are still interacting with my ad, and you can see it's still increasing, the views is still increasing. All right, so this is how we post actually. So you have to be very consistent on the website, post regularly, like the same thing, details about, just change the things, just change certain things over here. So if you go to the offer section, this is where these are the offers. So whenever somebody clicks on the link and the person is not in the region of United States, they're going to redirect the person to another offer. That's the power of smart links. So I'm going to go ahead to Facebook right now to post on Facebook right now. So Facebook, you just have to get yourself a Facebook account before you can do all these things. So with a Facebook, it's very simple and very easy. Nothing complicated over here. So you can just go ahead to copy whatever you've posted on Reddit to Facebook, but this is not what the reason why we are here. All right, so where it says edit post, you can even add images to whatever you want to do with this thing. So you can add more hashtags and all those stuffs. But Reddit, sometimes the hashtags are very important. It allows people to it allows you to target the people that you want to target on their platform. So after doing that, you just have to hit on save again to save everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and then save that, and then you can see over here the hashtags are there, and this is the post. So I can go ahead to add image and everything. So they are facing an error right now on their website. So I'm going to go ahead to open my page, but still, you see, it says, all right. If I open, they will says page not found, but there was an error. I think it's an error. So you can see it over here, it says an error on their website. So you just have to wait for some time before it will become, our page will reload again. So now we are still on the Reddit post. We are still working on here. So this is how you can post on Reddit. Even though the post they are facing some errors over here, but this is not the reason why we are here. We just have to wait for some time, like a day or some hours before it will be back. So let's proceed with the method, and this cannot stop us here. We just have to move to another level and then work on that. It seems like they are facing an error, so we can just move forward to do another thing. And then as soon as we are done with that, you can just come back to see whether the page is still available or not. So this is an error on Reddit. This is how sometimes it works. So don't have to panic or see if you see any of this. That's how sometimes it works. So now we are going to go ahead to upload another post on another platform. So just copy that, and then we are going to go to Facebook right now to post that. So it says create post. You can just come ahead and then post that. So where it says download all this, you can Facebook does not support you placing link in West. Okay, so what you need to do is to add your landing page directly to Facebook. This is the reason why landing pages are very important, because if you don't, they are not going to allow you to post that. So I'm going to select the image of the game just for people to know what I'm talking about right now. So this is how it looks like right now. And then with that, what I'm going to do right now is to add a link to the landing page of that. So we just have to fix certain things, certain errors like this, delete some of this before I'll go ahead to post that. So where I have to add the link to the game. Okay, so we have to add the link to the game straight to the Facebook page, and then that is it. Alright, so go ahead to copy the link to your landing page. Okay, so after copying the landing page link, just paste it over here and hit on post. Facebook is not going to remove your post because you have the link in the landing page, so it's not going to remove your post. But if you go ahead to copy the link directly and paste it over there, that means they are going to remove your post from their platform because they don't support CPA marketing on their platforms. So hit on post. So where it says who can view your post, just have to change to public. So the post audience must be public, and then hit on post. There. So hit on post. So whenever the post is alive, they are going to notify us. Yes. So creating your story and all those stuff. So just wait for it to load for some time. Alright, so this is our Facebook page right now. This is our Facebook post right now, and it's going to be, our post is going to be alive. So this is how it looks like. So when somebody clicks on to see more inside or see more, this is how it's going to look like right over here. Okay, so they can click on that too, and it will land them on their on our landing page right now. So I'm going to discard everything because I'm not going to edit anything on the platform right now. So leave over here, and then this is how you just have to like, and then you can even go ahead to purchase some likes from these service platforms, and they're going to deliver to you some of the likes, right? You just have to, so that you can target more people. So I'm going to go ahead to YouTube right now. YouTube is very powerful platform. So the Reddit is still not yet back. I'm going to check whether it's still back. But now we are moving to tumblr.com. So Tumblr is also like a Facebook platform, and the most traffic comes from United States, and then you have the 50% traffic coming from the United States. So go ahead to open the photo section and then upload the image of that from Tumblr to the platform, and from your computer to the Tumblr platform. It's a little bit slow, so you just have to take your time whenever you are doing this. All right, so this is where everything shows. All right, so it's still loading, guys. While it's loading, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So click on the image icon or the camera icon. So when it happens this way, what you need to do is to click on the camera icon. Okay, so you can add multiple links according to Tumblr. They are not going to restrict you, so it's very simple and very self-explanatory. Just add your hashtags, add your post details, and then click on the camera icon to upload your image from your computer. It's quite simple. You can add as much as the link that you want. So even the link itself, the image itself, you can add links to the image. So whenever somebody clicks on the link to view the image, they can when they click on the image to view it, they're going to redirect to the link that you placed over there. So that's how it looks like. So go ahead and then paste the details of the game, and then go to the button section. This allows you to add link to that. So it's very simple. The link button is there, so all you need is to click on that and paste your landing page to that. It's very simple and quite easy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to paste the link right over here. So add it done, and then we are done with it. So go to the top section and also paste the link over there, and then you are done with it. Okay, so now you can just publish it by adding some hashtag for people to to make it very easy for people to see what you've posted about. So as soon as you type, they are going to suggest most of the keywords for you. So it's going to be very quite easy for you. So you have to get yourself a platform, an account for any of the niches on Tumblr. So that is going to be quite very easy for you to promote whatever you want to promote. So right after typing in like that, I'm going to add my own keyword like free download, and then after doing that, I'm going to post that. I'm going to go ahead to publish it over here. It's going to take a little bit of time to become live over here on their platform. Yes, it's going to load. Once it's loading, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Guys, so if you watch me to this end, I believe you have learned something so far. So do not forget to like the video. So now it's still loading. We are still waiting for the website to complete its loading. I wanted it to be live, but I don't know how long it will take, so I'm going to proceed with the video, and we go with it. I'm going to proceed with the video. Okay, so it's still loading. I've waited for some time now, but still loading. It's not coming live. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to process because of the images and then the links. So that is it. But you can still proceed with it and then later come back to watch. So do not close the tab. Just leave it on open and then move to that. So when somebody clicks on the link, they are going to land on the landing page, and you can see the countdown is still working perfectly on our website. It has 1 day, 23 hours, 23 minutes, and 35, I think 30 seconds or so. Yeah. So this is it, and this is how perfect the landing page looks like. So just to make people believe in whatever you are doing, you just have to create a simple landing page and also make it self-explanatory, and also add a countdown to it so that they will be very serious in doing completing the task for you, because people don't take certain things very serious, and it's still loading, guys. So that is it. So I'm going to go ahead to the YouTube method. YouTube method is quite very simple, and there's nothing much complicated, but do not use your official YouTube channel to do that. If not, it's not going to work perfectly for you. But still, the Reddit account is not still back. I'm going to go ahead with the video, and then now let's proceed to the YouTube section. And then our Facebook post is still there. It's not being removed by Facebook. It's still available. So I'm going to go ahead to the YouTube feature. So now I'm going to open it over here, so that okay, so this is the YouTube icon. I'm going to click on the YouTube. Okay, so now I've clicked on the YouTube, and now what I'm going to do right now is to search for games. So what you're going to do is to search for games and then target for the live ones, the live games. So if I search for GTA 5, you can see most people are watching this over here. Most people are watching that. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead to search for GTA 5, and you can see some of them has much views. And before you can comment under anybody's video, you just have to subscribe to their channel before you can comment under them, because you have to subscribe and wait for at least, I think, 1 minute or so before you can comment, because you cannot go out there, comment, and then just leave. It's not going to work. So just keep that in mind, and remember, after posting your comment, you can just unsubscribe from the person's channel, because if you are not interested in this gaming things, you can just unsubscribe and then go back to your normal thing to do whatever you want to do. So this is how the interface of the games look like. You can see most of the gaming platforms or the channels are getting much views. So if you want to start a gaming channel, it's quite very simple. They get a lot of views, and they stream live. So with the gaming channel, you can just get it monetized within a certain within a short period of time, because people love watching all this gaming. So if only you have the time to play games for the whole, people even play game for the whole day. Some people can sit and then play game for the whole night without even sleeping. But one thing you just have to get in mind is that you can just only post under these people if only you've subscribed to their channel. So just keep that in mind. I've repeated that for several times. So I'm going to give you a scenario, or a live scenario on that, how you can fix all these things. So you can see all these games are having much views. So any game at all works perfectly. Yes. Okay. So what are we going to do right now is, all right, so you can see over here, this is somebody playing the GTA 5. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on the video, and then just go to the comment section and then comment. But before then, you just have to subscribe to them before you be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead to post a comment in the comment section without subscribing, and you get tell me to before. So sorry for the ad, guys. Let's skip that, and then this is how they are also going to be paid. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and then subscribe to the channel. I'm going to post, like I'm going to go to the chat session and then post it. If it's going to work, you can see if it's going to work. So you can see over here it says I have to subscribe before I'll be able to comment and even wait for 1 minute. The reason why they will ask you for waiting to wait for 1 minute is that you can easily forget that you can easily forget about you subscribing to their channel. So you have to subscribe and wait for 1 minute before you'll be able to post under the video. But the reason why they will ask you to wait for 1 minute, maybe people will not get the chance or the time to wait for 1 minute. So after subscribing, they will just go off, and then this is the reason why they'll always ask you to subscribe, and then through that they will just get much people to subscribe to the channel. This is the reason why most gaming channels are having more subscribers. So this case, I've subscribed. I'm waiting for the 1 minute to come before I will post under their comments. So I'm waiting for them to open it for me to post under it. So I'm waiting for 1 minute right now before I'll be able to post under them. So whilst we are waiting for that, do not forget to like the video and turn on the bell icon, and also comment down any question that you have for me. I will be there to help you whenever I received them. Okay, so now we are still waiting for the 1 minute to come, guys. I'm still waiting for the 1 minute. I would just want to do this practically for you guys to know that this method works like magic. But if you don't take it very serious, they are not going to. So you don't have to post under only a single video, but rather post under 3 or more videos. In that case, you can get more people to interact with your ad and then complete some of the offers for you. So if this method, if you don't want this method, you can even go into health niche and all those stuffs. So with a health niche, sometimes it's very easy for you to promote your affiliate offers on their video. So you can see over here, I've subscribed, but I'm still waiting for that to rate the 1 minute. I'm still waiting for the 1 minute to come before I'll be able to post under their video. So let's go back to check whether the subscription has been opened for us. You can easily like the video, but they are not going to open it for you. So we are still waiting for that to become successful before you'll be able to post under them. So it has opened right now, so I can go ahead to post every comment that I want to post under their video concerning what they are doing. So what you're going to do, you have to be very creative. If not, the user is going to delete your comment. So what you're going to do, this you're very nice or very good player, so you can get GTA. If you want to experience GTA 5 for free, you can just click on the link below to get GTA 5 for free and experience what. So just be very creative, and then people are also going to interact with your ad being posted under their video. So now I'm going to unsubscribe. I've unsubscribed because I don't want this gaming things to show on my dashboard. So I don't want and subscribe to any gaming channel. So this is how you can use Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, and Tumblr, and other social media platforms to make money online with the help of this CPA marketing course. So CPA marketing works like perfectly, but you just have to be very skillful. If not, they are not going to work for you. If you have any question, do not forget to leave that in the comment section. Like the video and turn on the notification bell, and make sure you also go out there to replicate whatever you have been taught over here. And some also, you can also make money online as a marketer over here. So guys, I would like to end here. This is a complete course for beginners and even advanced. Most people who doesn't know CPA marketing with free traffic works. This is a free traffic method. You can also go out there to implement that and make money online. I would like to end here, and then hopefully to see you in my next video. Stay safe, and then peace out.